Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kumsi benta kajing rakhi ya kajing dap new pusan snem jongari India ki Sipai Border Security Force haga shitarik unailor arjar arpuar kila penlong ya kajing ya rally daki tuk tuk ban yalap ya kajing ma na kajing penon kam yo drug bat ban radding kong ya ki kam snew kam sme bat ki kam to kam them haga imlang kasalang lasdang ya kani kajing ya rally na katemsa ki Sipai BSF na maupat Hagabala kawe lama da u Director General of Police ke Jilla u Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi u balalong ku Mukongsan rengkat ke jingedan lang jong u Inspector General ke Meghalaya Frontier u Indrajit Singh Rana. Kani ka kanhon jong ke Sipai BSF ki balami na Shillong hagani kasngi kan yai lenti shadow nong ba Delhi haga jingjingai ka ba kumba 8,000 news pa 8 kilometer. Hanong po lapriang buram ya kani ka kanhon ki Sipai BSF Hanong Po Indoor Stadium dagi Borsen Shahar ka Ribhoi District hagabala sakhilang da SP jong ka Ribhoi District u Giri Prasad u Additional Deputy Commissioner uba MB Tongper u Commandant jong ka 172 Battalion BSF Shillong u Sanjay Sharman u GS Dhaliwal bat kiway.
BSF is organizing motorcycle rally under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which we all know is being celebrated all over India, and also the world famous BSF team, Jamba team, Seema Bhavani riders, consisting of 15 riders each are participating and going to complete this rally within 16 days, covering around 2,800 long kilometers from Shillong to Delhi. They will make halts en route, and this is the first halt at Nongpo, and you guys from Nongpo are lucky to have seen this, both the teams, and we are welcoming them in Nongpo after Shillong. Once again,
the message of patriotism and fraternity among the youth is one of the initiatives being undertaken by BSF under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Rally was flagged off today from Mokot, Shillong by Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, IPS DGP Meghalaya, and rally will cover 2,797 kilometers up to national capital Delhi. BSF Java's team has many records on their names, including a world record by riding the motorcycle for 10 hours, 34 minutes, 20 seconds continuously while standing on 16 feet, 5-inch tall ladder. And recently in March 2022, the BSF Seema Bhavani Surya Expedition Empowerment Ride 2022 Delhi to Chennai witnessed an amazing support from entire audience along the route. Now BSF Seema Bhavani team too got the world famous status.
Team captain, please. और कैप प्रदान करें तो छोटी सी यादगार को गेट रखेंगे। एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर सर, मैं
थोड़ा सा साइड दे दे।
स्पॉन्सरशिप फॉर मोर एरिया
प्लीज सर अंदर सर थोड़ा साइड
इसका